All right, continuing on, CNC Group number 4000B, we're under the 13-14 Playbook and Ultimate. Another reference that feels lost on me.
Copy over? Ha!
Finally, Ashley, I've been waiting for this moment.
Don't write me up just yet. I've seen that movie several times.
Shoot. Back before Adam Sandler had a stroke. Base card number 249 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Vinny Lecavalier. We've got a social signatures for the St. Louis Blues, David Perron. This is funny. This was a late 13-14 product, and that was 3 teams ago. David Perron for the Blues. We've got a first drafts autograph for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Rick Nash. And neat. We've got a nicknames jersey booklet numbered 5 of 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Super Mario. Mario Lemieux for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Numbered 5 of 25. Sweet. Alright, now on to the treasures that she unfolded from the Ultimate, which has a base card number 499 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. Rookie number 499 for the Arizona Coyotes, Lucas Lesio. We've got an Ultimate Rookie dual jersey for the Dallas Stars, Alex Chason. And we've got a signature masterpieces for the Florida Panthers, Jonathan Huberdeau. All right, coming up next, some Dominion.